Welcome to Catania, a vibrant Sicilian port city sitting at the foot of Mount Etna. It is characterized by its striking Baroque architecture crafted from volcanic rock and its bustling ancient fish markets. Located on the eastern coast of Sicily along the Ionian Sea, the city offers a unique landscape shaped by the nearby volcano. Our journey begins at the Piazza del Duomo, the beating heart of Catania. It is famously centered around the Fountain of the Elephant, an ancient basalt sculpture that has become the city's beloved symbol. Framed by grand palazzos and the ornate facade of the cathedral, the square is a masterpiece of the Sicilian Baroque style, utilizing dark volcanic stone contrasted against white limestone. Dominating the piazza is the Cathedral of Sant'Agata, a grand basilica built over the ruins of ancient Roman baths and dedicated to the city's patron saint. Inside the basilica, the atmosphere is one of solemn elegance, housing the sacred relics of Saint Agatha and the tomb of the renowned opera composer Vincenzo Bellini. Piazza Vincenzo Bellini is home to the magnificent Teatro Massimo Bellini, an architectural jewel renowned for its opulent interior and world-class acoustics. By day, the square showcases elegant 19th-century buildings, while at night it transforms into a social hub, where locals gather at lively cafes and bars surrounding the central fountain. Villa Bellini is the city's oldest and most prestigious urban park, offering a lush escape with its winding paths, shaded benches, and panoramic views of Mount Etna. The Basilica della Collegiata stands as one of the most exquisite examples of Sicilian Baroque, featuring a unique concave facade that creates a sense of movement along the historic Via Etnea. This grand structure is part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site, reconstructed after the 1693 earthquake with striking details like its two-tier bell tower and intricate stone carvings. Piazza Stesicoro is a site of dramatic historical contrast, where the sunken ruins of a massive 2nd century Roman amphitheater sit alongside the towering 19th century monument dedicated to the composer Vincenzo Bellini. This bustling square serves as a gateway to the city's vibrant markets and is anchored by the Church of San Biagio, which tradition holds was built on the site of Saint Agatha's martyrdom. Thank you for watching.